brakes are dead! I'm going off the cliff! I'm cranking it up to level 10! Look at my luxury racer. I am the fastest racer in town. Look at that wooden scooter. What a piece of trash.
Your toy is broken trash now.
Dad, Mom, I have nothing to ride now.
We don't need expensive gold cars. We can build our own super DIY go-kart right here. Let's collect strong steel pipes and wide rubber tires.
No sharp edges allowed. Safety is always number one.
A strong steel frame will make our cart super safe.
Tighten every single bolt. Safe and solid. Look, Dad! Our dream go-kart is coming to life! Yay! He is actually building a real racer! I must stop him right now! Let's see you build a cart without gears. Dirty mud cannot stop us. We will clean every single gear with our own hands. Wash away the mud. Clean and shiny like brand new.
Oh no, the chain is too loose. It will fall off when driving.
Tighten the chain tensioner. Safe and tight now. The steering shaft is stuck. It is hard to turn.
Add grease. Make it turn smooth like butter. Double layer brake pad for 100% stopping power. Oh no! A storm is coming! Protect the cart! Hold the tarp, everyone! Don't let the wind blow it away!
We protected our cart! The storm stopped! Let's go test drive! 3, 2, 1, go! Smooth like a rocket! It is super fast and silky smooth! Best feeling ever! Impossible! How did they make such an advanced go-kart? I need something faster and crazier to crush them. I'm cranking it up to level 10! Help! Help! The brakes are dead! I'm going off the cliff! He just crushed your scooter and threw the gears into the mud. He is in danger! We must save him at once! You are safe now, Libu. Are you okay? I am so sorry, Leo. I broke your scooter and threw your gears in the mud. But you still risked your life to save me.
True speed is not about expensive engines. It is about driving with respect and a kind heart.